Introduction, Legal Framework for Disputing Student Loan Reporting. Student loans got your credit report looking like a mess? You're not stuck with those errors forever. In this video, I'll show you how to challenge student loan mistakes and clean up your credit report using the law. Student loans present one of the most complex categories of credit reporting, often requiring nuanced disputes. However, disputing inaccurate student loan reporting is entirely possible. This guide will demonstrate how to effectively challenge inaccuracies in student loan reporting by leveraging consumer law and factual disputes. Whether your student loan is federal or private, understanding the legal framework for accurate reporting is crucial to ensuring that your credit report reflects truthful information. Every student loan account must meet Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, standards, ensuring it is 100% accurate, complete, and verifiable. Footnote: this section provides an overview of the importance of challenging inaccurate student loan reporting by emphasizing legal requirements for accuracy under the FCRA. Consumer laws and their relevance to student loan reporting. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, is central to disputing inaccurate student loan reporting. FCRA Section 611 grants the right to dispute inaccurate or unverifiable information. Section 607b mandates that all data reported must be maximally accurate, while Section 623 holds furnishers accountable for ensuring correct information. For federal student loans, the Higher Education Act governs the reporting of loan status changes, such as deferments, forbearances, discharges, and consolidations. Additionally, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FCRA, applies to private loans serviced by third-party debt collectors, ensuring proper conduct in reporting. Footnote: this section outlines the laws governing student loan reporting, including the FCRA, Higher Education Act, and FCRA, which provide the framework for disputing inaccurate data. Identifying and disputing specific errors in student loan reporting. Student loan reporting errors can be frequent and complex, often occurring after deferments, forbearances, consolidations, or transfers between servicers. The following are common errors that provide grounds for dispute. 1. Duplicate accounts. When loans are transferred to a new servicer, the original loan should be closed with a zero balance. If both loans show active balances, this constitutes double reporting and violates FCRA standards. 2. Inconsistent status updates. If deferments, forbearances, or consolidations are not reported accurately, or if an account shows as past due while in a deferment, this is an error. 3. Incorrect data first delinquency. An inaccurate date of first delinquency can improperly extend the reporting period of a defaulted loan, violating FCRA guidelines on the 7-year reporting rule. 4. Incorrect loan type or creditor information. The loan report must accurately reflect the correct program and servicer name. Mislabeling a loan constitutes inaccurate reporting. 5. Incorrect payment history. The payment history must align with the loan status, ensuring no payments are listed as due during approved deferment or forbearance periods. Footnote: this section identifies common reporting errors in student loans, such as duplicate accounts, incorrect status updates, and erroneous delinquency dates, all of which can be disputed. Building a strong factual dispute for student loan reporting errors. To build a strong factual dispute, follow these steps. 1. Audit and identify specific errors. Obtain detailed credit reports from all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Compare the accounts line by line, checking balances, statuses, dates, and payment histories for inconsistencies. 2. Draft a dispute letter. Use precise legal language to identify specific errors. For example, this student loan is duplicated under two servicers, both showing active balances, which is inaccurate under FCRA Section 607b. Please delete immediately. 3. Send dispute letters to each bureau. Mail the dispute letters to each credit bureau individually, including copies of the credit report sections that highlight the discrepancies. Focus on factual errors rather than disputing the existence of the loan itself. 4. Track responses and prepare to escalate. Bureaus have 30 days to respond under FCRA Section 611. If the dispute is verified without correction, you have grounds to escalate. Footnote: this section provides a step-by-step guide for disputing student loan reporting errors, including the auditing process, drafting dispute letters, and tracking responses. Special considerations for federal student loans. Federal student loans are subject to additional protections under the Higher Education Act and are often reported through various forgiveness programs. If a loan is forgiven but still shows an active balance, this constitutes an error. Similarly, if a consolidation leads to incorrect balances or late payments on original loans, this can also be disputed. Both the Higher Education Act and the FCRA should be cited when disputing such errors. Footnote: this section highlights the additional protections and common errors related to federal student loans, including issues with loan forgiveness and consolidation. Escalation of disputes and legal action. If the bureaus verify inaccurate reporting, you may escalate your dispute by sending a second-level dispute. Reference your initial dispute and cite FCRA Sections 611 and 623 for the failure to correct the errors. Additionally, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, and consider legal action if blatant violations exist, particularly regarding incorrect delinquency dates or deferment reporting. Footnote: this section discusses the escalation process for unresolved disputes, including filing second-level disputes, submitting complaints to the CFPB, and considering legal action. Final key reminders and resources. Student loans are complex, but their complexity often results in mistakes that can be disputed. Focus on verifying balances, statuses, payment histories, and dates. Use consumer law as your framework, remaining specific and legal in your disputes. Do not stop after one dispute cycle. If the errors remain, escalate appropriately. Footnote: this section provides key reminders for disputing student loan errors, emphasizing the importance of persistence and using consumer law as a foundation for your disputes. Now that you know how to fix those student loan errors, it's time to take control of your credit. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips on repairing your credit and leveraging consumer laws.